Hi, I'm Dave Brown, and I'm going to show you how to change the Teflon pad on an upper platen. First, turn the press off and remove the power cord. Loosen the clip, pull the power cord out. Then we're going to turn the press upside down. Now, as you can see, this Teflon pad is very bad. First, we're going to scrape the Teflon pad off the aluminum platen. Start right in the very corner. Remove the Teflon pad from the platen. As you can see, there's glue globs and residue on here. We're going to scrape that off. Then we're going to take some isopropyl alcohol and a shop cloth, and we're going to clean the platen. Do not spray alcohol directly on the platen. Spray it on the cloth, and then scrub the platen. Now we're going to take the Teflon pad, and we're going to peel off the corner of the yellow backer. Remove this and discard it. Now we're going to apply the sticker to the aluminum brick. You're going to start in one corner and line it up perfectly. Now we're going to take the screwdriver and we're going to slide it across here and seal it down. Then we're going to turn the press right side up. We're going to plug it in. We're going to latch it. Now we're going to stand the press right side up. I'm going to replace the lower platen and we're ready to go.